Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel for another beautiful recipe. I hope you all are doing great. As for me, I'm fine. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I made some delicious buns with whole wheat meal flour and some bananas. I used the whole wheat meal flour from Golden Penny. And this video was inspired by Cook with Chief Friend. Please do check her channel. She made a video where she used whole wheat flour, so I decided to use this and it came out very well. So let's get started and I'll show you how I used it. Thank you. I have measured out 2 cups of the wheat flour here. And remember, we are making banana wheat buns, so I'm going to mash some bananas. Here I'll be mashing 2 ripe bananas. Here I have mashed the bananas and I'll add it 1 egg, some banana flavor, just a little, melted margarine, you can use butter, and brown sugar. I'll then mix everything together and dissolve the sugar. I will write down all the ingredients I'm using with their measurements in the description box. You can check it out if you wish to make this. Use white sugar if that is what you have. I'm using brown sugar because I have it here. And now it is time to add the dry ingredients. I just added the flour. I'll then add some milk, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. I'll then mix gradually. I will then add some water gradually also. I'll be adding water as I mix until I get the texture I want. I will leave all the measurements in the description box below. I'm okay with this texture and consistency, so I'm not adding any more water. I brought out half cup of water, but I didn't use all. Now I'm done mixing it very well, so I'll allow it to rest for about 5 to 10 minutes while I heat up the oil we are using for frying. Keep watching. The oil is hot enough, so it is time to start frying. You can use your hands for this if you want. You can also use spoon or any other thing you're comfortable with. Remember not to fry this on very high heat. Medium heat is always the best. And then turn it over when it browns on one side. And when you get that golden color on both sides, then it is time to take it out. And I'll continue to fry like this until I've fried all the batter that I mixed. And here we have our banana wheat buns. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. These buns tasted so delicious. I bet you will enjoy it if you give it a try. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and stay safe. Love you all. Bye bye. Don't forget to share the video and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Bye. Love you all.